Hi guys, this is me, Leonardo. Today, we're going to be doing Rubik's Cube solving. This one I got for Christmas, and this one I got from the store last night. I'm going to show you how to solve it. I scrambled this one up. And I scrambled this one up. Let's start with the 2x2. Solved it. Solved easy. And I scrambled my way with a 3x3. That. Now this and this. Now that and that. This is how I scrambled it up. Or there's another way. It's just these ones should. This one's an 8 and up. I'm 6 years old. This one, I don't know what age is it for, but it's good for solving. This one's the starting off one. You just need to solve it, practice it, and now look. I'm going to solve it. See? Solved it. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And subscribe. Bye.